Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's security tip is this email really from the boss? Here's a common scam. You get an email from the boss or other trusted person asking you to send them a copy of the employee pay stubs, tax information, or files with confidential data such as social security numbers in them, or they're asking you to transfer or ACH a payment to a vendor or a different bank account. You may also receive requests to buy gift cards. The problem, even though it's coming from someone else's email address you know and trust and looks legit, there's a chance it could be a scam. Hackers can intercept email messages and modify them. They are also good at spoofing a person's name and using a different email address. If you ever get this kind of request, double check by calling that person to confirm. And even if it turns out to be a legitimate request, you should never send confidential information like social security numbers or attachments without first taking precautions to password protect and encrypt the message. If it doesn't feel right, it's probably not right. When in doubt, delete. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.